How's it going, everyone? So we're here again, about to make another video, and this is actually already after the fact that I did all the coding and all that good stuff. I'm already back from being out of town, everything I mentioned in this video, but the introduction that I was going to have for the original video got messed up, so that's why I'm making this one now. So this is already after everything being done. I already did all the coding that you see here today, but yeah, just wanted to make this to introduce the video, let you guys know basically this video is just going to be me coding, adding, changing the dash, so that your cluster could have different layouts, different kind of colors, whatever you want, different font. And you might want to do that if you want like Alpina, M Sport, whatever it is. And as well as changing the startup for the iDrive. So something nice that you might want to do, like I said, it's a pretty cool effect. I kept it for the trip, and then I changed it to something different actually afterwards. But yeah, this is just going to be showing that. It's again super simple to do, but if you haven't bought Bimmercode and you kind of want to see, hey, what could I do with it, this is one of the things that you can do with Bimmercode and changing the font and your cluster. So yeah, let's get to the video. Basically, it's going to be me starting off washing my car that day, and just recently because of, spring, there's a lot of pollen in the air, so my car's already kind of dirty again, even though I washed it a couple days ago, or 2 days ago. And same thing with this video. I had a bunch of pollen on the car, so I'm going to show you kind of my steps, not a deep in view thing of me doing my car wash, but just starting off the video with that, car washing the car. And then right after that, if you want to skip that, you can as well. And I'll show you just get into the coding for it. So again, you're going to need an OBD2 port. I'm going to mention everything you need when it gets to the coding part. But yeah, let's get to that. You're going to get to see me wash the car starting off, and like I said, right after that, if you want to skip that, you can. That's going to be where the coding is. So let's get to that. So first things first, of course, you're always going to want to use the 2 bucket method. So at least this, you could do 3 for the wheels. I usually just do the wheels last, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, just first thing first, always use 2 bucket method. That's how I kind of do it. You don't have to, of course, it's on you. But this kind of prevents some scratches, and then I have a little cleaner for the wheels for later, and then one that I use for the remainder of the car, and kind of just so I can rinse everything. So this is what I'll be using, and then I also have this car shampoo. Adams, I like Adams products pretty much all around. You can use any of their car wash things, their soaps, and then a little cleat, a dryer for some of the spots that you can't reach. So these are some of the few important things they could use. Sorry, it's so noisy, but yeah. Oh, and another thing, glove up. You can call me a softie, but these chemicals are super bad for your hands. So I'm gloving up. You can always start from the top on the least dirty area. And that's how I kind of do it. Work from the top to the bottom. Kind of hear this in every cleaning video, but hey, better repeat it. They kind of make it my own thing because I feel like other people have it right. Another important thing, I always use one towel for the windows, and then one for the rest of the car, at least one. And I use this as kind of like a lubricant. So this is your best bet. This is bent streaks if you're not using the same one. Using the same one, the one towel's gonna get too wet, your one's gonna be streaky. All right, so car is all cleaned up and looking pretty good. Last thing I gotta do is just do the tires. Probably put a little bit of sun protection on them, shine them up a little bit. Yeah, looking pretty good, all cleaned up. All right, so I got the car all cleaned up, as you guys just seen a little bit ago. I actually cleaned the car. I came back here, washed up a bit myself because I have all that soap all over me, and got changed, all that good stuff. Grabbed myself some coffee, and now I can make this video. Now, as you can see, I didn't want to show the whole video of me cleaning the car, just some little things here and there. Kind of a quick wash. I didn't do everything I usually do because I'm going to be going out of town. The car's going to get a little bit dirtier anyways. I'm not going too many shows or anything to be showing off the car. So the car just was a quick clean. Did it really quick. Try to get done. But now that it's all done, I want to get to making this coating video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, it's going to be coating in and changing the dash so that you guys could see different kind of styles that Bimmercode offers for it. So with Alpina and other ones. So I'll give you guys a look at that. Hopefully this video is useful to you. If so, remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff. So let's get started. So of course, first off, you're going to need Bimmercode. This is what we use every time. This is the easiest method for coding with BMW in my opinion. And then you're going to need that, the full version of Bimmercode, as well as OBD2 port. I use this one, MHD tuning, the black version. That works for the G20. So yeah, that's where you're going to need to start off. Now of course, you're going to want to put your car in diagnostic mode. As I say every time, to do this you press the start button 3 times. Actually, it was already in diagnostic mode, but let's see. There we go. After 3 seconds, a couple seconds, whatever it is, it usually pops on. Alright, so you're going to connect, well, you're going to plug it in, of course, to the bottom, down there, the OBD2 port, and you're going to connect your car. So, of course, I drive a 3 Series, as you all know. Just let it load up. Alright, there you go. So there's going to be 2 things you want to do. I mean, at least I feel like if you're going to want it to match the iDrive and the dash, you're going to want to do these 2 things. But to start off, of course, you're going to want to go to the instrument cluster. So if you want to keep it kind of how it looks right there with the numbers that size, it's like the little 3 little colors at the bottom, that doesn't really show too much. No M Sport, but like right there, kind of hard to point out on this. Then this is what you're going to want to do. You're just going to want to go to there, and if you want the numbers kind of bigger to go to 200 miles per hour, just click on this one. I'll show you how it looks. I think this is a nice one if you kind of want to keep it just stock looking, just a little bit different. So go back, of course, click on that, code it in, go to start coding, let it finish coding, and it's going to reset. I'll show you how it looks shortly. So as you can see, everything remains the same. It just goes up to 200 miles per hour, and the numbers look a bit bigger now. This is a nice version. As I said, everything kind of remains the same. You could switch between these, and the color looks, I mean, you can still see the difference in modes. So yeah, that's kind of the main one if you just want to do a simple change. But I'll show you the other ones as well. So first, why don't we try the M Sport, or the M model. So the M Sport doesn't really change much. All it does is just put the M up there basically, and that's basically it. So nothing much changed. But this is the M version makes it like an M car, so it appears just like an M car. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna start coding. And see, this is how it looks. So this is a pretty cool version. Actually, this is actually one I might keep and try a bit for a while. So you can see this one has the M up there as well, but it has some other things. So when I change modes, you see it just changes in the background. It doesn't really change the rest. The rest remains gray. But this mode is pretty cool. I'll show you why. So as you see, when I rev the engine, it's a bit gray. And this one's a pretty cool version. So I actually might keep this one. I actually like how this one looks quite a bit. But we'll see. But I'll show you guys the remaining rest, okay? Alright, so now back to this. So we're going to go to the Alpina now. And I'll show you guys how this one looks. So this one you'll probably like if, I guess your favorite color is blue and you like green as well. I'm not a huge fan of this one. I know a lot of people like this one. I think it looks alright. I mean, it's not too bad, but as you can see, the background now changes to blue. And that's basically in sports mode. This is how it looks in comfort mode. So you see there's green on kind of the temp and the gas when you have it in sports, and it's gone in comfort. And then this is it in eco mode. So you might like this as well. Like I said, if you like blue, then this is all you. It doesn't look bad. It's just not completely my taste. But if you're gonna want to do this, like I said, chances are you're also gonna want to change the instrument or the iDrive to match it. At least I would. I just kind of coordinate it that way. So let me show you how to do that. So you're going to go down here and go to the head unit. Once you're at head unit, you're going to go to start animation. So of course by default it's on BMW. That's what my car's on because I don't have an M. So say I want to get the Alpina. You're going to start coding that. So I click on down here, change the start animation to Alpina, and click code. And I'm going to show you how that looks. So here it is. You see, it looks actually pretty good. It's a cool little effect. I mean, I'm not driving Alpina, that's why I probably wouldn't do this. But you might want to do it. I mean, I'm not hating on it if you do. I think it's a cool effect. I mean, you have Bimmercode, so why not do it? Cancel that. And let me show you the M variant. So this is what it looks like if you want to do the M. So click on that, start coding. So this is for M variant 1. And this is how it's going to look if you have the newest version of Bimmercode. These are the ones for that. So just make sure you download the newest version of Bimmercode once you purchase it. So you can have all these options. So this is the options that I have as of today. So this is the M Sport one. If you want to have it start up with that for iDrive. So that's not a bad one. I mean, if you have an M Sport car or whatever, I mean, you already have M all over the place. But I'll probably just keep it as normal BMW. And I'll just remind you guys what that looks like. I start coding. And then this is just the stock BMW one, as many of you guys have seen with your car, I'm sure. So it's up to y'all. I just wanted to show you how to match that to the dash, to your all that good stuff, and just make sure it's matched. I mean, at least I would want it to match. You guys might want to just mix it up. Y'all could do whatever you want to do with it. It's your decision, of course. It's your car, so who cares what anybody says. So yeah, some nice little effects. Like I said, I personally might try the M Sport version, but I just wanted to show you guys exactly how to do this and what it looked like. So you have some different options. So I'm going to go back over here, and I think I'm going to keep it on, whoops, the instrument cluster. And like I said, I think I'm going to have some fun with the M, because I actually like how that looks. I mean, it's my stock car is already giving me the M color stripes at the bottom anyway, so why not have this? So yeah, I like how this looks. I might give it a go for the weekend. Like I said, I'm going to LA, give it a drive, see how much I like it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys in a few. We can have some more discussion. So as usual, and hopefully y'all were able to learn something or enjoy something. See if you guys want to do this. But I'm gonna do some. Sorry for the terrible sun. It's like hitting such a weird way. Do a little bit of driving around just to make sure everything's going okay. Yeah. So yeah, everything looks like it's going fine. I do like how the instrument cluster, like the digits on the instrument, they look a bit bigger, which is kind of a nice effect. It's a little bit more clear. I have it on the M Sport version, or the M car version that I said I was going to put it on. And yeah, I kind of like how it looks. Like I said, there's different versions. Give them a try. I mean, it's a cool little thing to change up your car, to have some fun with it, make things a little bit new, so you can enjoy the car that you've maybe had for a little bit longer now. But yeah, I like it. It's a cool little effect. It's something super easy to do, as you can see. And yeah. So I think I'm going to keep it on this for a little bit for my trip. Like I said, I do have one coming up this weekend. Going to head over to LA. And I'll kind of give you guys a heads up and make sure everything's still going smooth with the car. So I actually recently did add some E85 to my car to see how it kind of ran. And I'll say, so far, I mean, it seems like it's making a difference. I haven't done any times with the Dragy yet. But I did notice this morning, especially when I went to go drive the car. I just put it in yesterday. When I drove the car over to the gas station, the car wash place, it pulled a little bit harder. So I'm probably going to do some Dragy times in the future, see how it goes, see if the time's any different, if it's improved. But yeah, so I just wanted to make this video kind of briefly just to show you guys. So I haven't made a video in a while. I know I've been delayed. I've been super busy, like I mentioned, but I gotta make time to do this. I enjoy doing it, making the videos, and I want to be able to help I mean, all you other G20 owners or you other BMW owners that could use this, so you guys could benefit as well. So yeah, this is what I did today. Let me know in the comments if you appreciate it, if you're able to do it, what your favorite one was. If you plan to do the Alpina, the M, or just keep it normal, stock. No matter what you do with your car, it's all you. Do your thing. But yeah, I wanted to switch it up a bit, just because, hey, I'm going out of town, have some fun with the car, doing some driving. So, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, if you're able to learn anything, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. Let me know what you plan to do to your car. And let me know in the comments also some more things you want to see. Like I said, there's a few things I plan to do, some outside modifications. I'm thinking about adding a front splitter. Let me know if you guys think I should. Which one I should go with, kind of thing. Give me some ideas. And if you want to see anything else. Like I said, I do have a couple other things planned. I know I want to do that. Do some more runs with the Draggy. I might want to grab a JB4, maybe some other, someone else that makes another piggyback, things like that. But yeah, this is what I plan to do today. I'll see you guys pretty soon in the next video. And like I said, remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for coming back and being patient with me as I'm kind of being delayed with these videos. But I appreciate the support so far. So y'all have a good one. Have a good day. Stay safe. All right.